Spika wa mbunge bururi Justin Muturi ni wetitie ugitiri mukinyaniru kwi aira aria monire uria maundu mavianaga gatagatĩ ka maabithaa borithi na anake airi nyina umwe aria ni Benson Ndwiga na murio wa nyina Muturi mbere ya magacemania na ikuũ ciao na njira ina kiriga kinene. Akiaria sirarĩri yake kwĩ bamĩrĩ ya anake aya mwena wa Kianjokoma kaunti ya Embu Muturi makiria na kuvoya aira merute na kuvecana ndũmĩrĩri nioritie mbunge cia thirikari cia ugitiri uthuthuria na watho kuona gutire vindi gakinya miturire ya iraya igakorwo yugwatire.
I want to call upon the agency within the office of the Attorney General and the criminal justice system that is responsible for implementing the Witness Protection Act to move with speed to ensure that those possible witnesses receive the necessary protection.
Gukwa kivoyaga utwiria wanevenya na mukinyaniru gukorwo gikwa nioritie uturia wambie niki kiavirire maabithaa borithi gwa sangari iria atumikire gukua mĩĩrĩ ya anake acio na kumivira mirurungano ri na magitikiria mwingi utuike wa kumivivia na matiringithia kumitethura.
There are several question marks that have been there, that have been raised. For instance, the fact that the vehicle which was used to transport the two late young men is the same one the police brought to the scene to be touched by the public. While the police kept, they just stood by there doing nothing. This is a vehicle which had a lot of evidence, but the police never fired a shot when it was being set on fire. So they brought it actually. The implication and suggestion seems to be they brought it there to destroy evidence.
Miario ya Spika Muturi yukite kavindare karia family ya Moses Kimanthi mwanake uria watere monya wake tariki 3 kiumia kithiru na njira ya kuvura rithathi vindi ya mirurungano ya mithenya 3 ya gukumithia ikuũ cia Benson na Emmanuel maugite kuona njira iria mwana wao kwire nayo ina kiriga ni magutumira ndagitari wa kiumbe vindi ya kuthinja mwĩrĩ wa mwenda wao muthenya wa Jumatano.
Siria athie arorue arikania na kurorua maumirira maundu maria makaumirira tue tuonekana akorwa ugugatuika kabisa ni thirikari arutite wira ucio tuonekana atutethwe ni thirikari.
Dennis